Hello my good friends. Today we're going to talk about luggage, specifically carry-on luggage. The reason why I want to talk about this is that the airlines have really cracked down on the weight and the size of luggage that you can take on board the plane. Okay, so personally, I don't know about you, but personally, I hate checking luggage. You have to wait for it. Hopefully it doesn't get lost. I've had the experience of lost luggage before. It's not fun. So I use a backpack and I use one carry-on 95% of the time up until this year. Up until this year, everything was fine. Suddenly my carry-on that I've used for a number of years had to check it. That's this one. This is what I'm coming from. This is a Samsonite. It has the locks like this. There's no zipper. This thing's built like a tank, and it's heavy too. I don't know the exact weight, but it's pretty heavy. And really, I can understand why this needs to be checked, because this will take a beating. As you can see, it kind of has taken one. But I've really enjoyed it. It's been very rugged. However, it's time to retire it. So I did some research, watched some videos on YouTube here, went online, did a little research on reviews on Reddit and different places, and I decided on one. Decided on this. This is the Bellroy. So the Bellroy here is only with 3.1 kilograms in weight. Super light, still pretty darn rugged. And the interior will hold 41 liters worth of stuff, okay? Why buy this? A few reasons I went ahead and bought it. Number one, it's repairable. I've never had luggage that was repairable, and by me. So I'll show you what can be repaired. The wheels. These wheels, by the way, 360 super quiet wheels. And these can be repaired. They actually have a kit that you can order it has a 10-year warranty. So if it's something defective with the product, they'll send you a kit for you to swap it out. Otherwise, you can buy them. And I think the wheels are like $29. Not bad. So they're all four, comes four wheels. Then you've got the handle on the back here. This handle, by the way, the button's on the bottom, not the top, which I really like. That's repairable. Plus, all the fabric handles are repairable, and this right here, the lock, it's repairable, replaceable, repairable as well. Amazing. And I love how light it is too. This is super light when compared to my tank here. The interior, number one, it comes with this. So this just kind of like snaps in there. And it's two compartments that you can put on loose stuff, electronics, medicine, whatever you have that you're going to take with you on your vacation. You can put socks, shoes, whatever, and that fits in there. And you've got a zipper compartment over here for, again, shoes or whatever you want to put in here. This then opens up for your shirts or what or such, shirts, pants, you know. And the same with the other side, this will open up as well. So I'm very impressed. I have not used the product yet. I've only had it for 2 days. I am going to use it at the end of January. I have a flight to Southeast Asia I'm taking at the end of the month, next month. So this will be what I take on the flight with me. After which I'll do a follow-up and let you know how it went. What I liked about it, what I don't like about it. I was tempted. This is their Transit Carry-On. Right here, comes with a little tag here, tells you everything about it. There's a little bit larger size to this. Now this particular size, they say at least 95% of the airlines will allow this in the plane, in the overhead. On the larger size, I think it dropped down to 90%. And I just wanted to make sure, because I'm going to be using some airlines, like I say, out of Southeast Asia, different areas of the world. So I want to try to cover as many airlines as possible without checking this thing. but I love this thing. Like I say, they have a replacement parts program. I'll show you that right there. And they are out of Australia, but I do believe they have a center, a shipment center inside the United States, because this did not take very long to reach me. I think I had it within a week at the most it took for them to get this to me. Very impressed, very happy with it so far. Folks, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want more. If you're interested in maybe more travel videos or interested in the follow-up to this, please like and subscribe, and share it. Share it wherever you want. It certainly couldn't hurt the algorithm at all. And again, below is a link to the Bellroy website if you're interested in more information on this piece of luggage. Thanks for watching and have a great day.